So I received a question from the previous video about the Milk White RAKK PBT KeyCaps, and they wanted to hear how it sounds like. So this is just a short video showing or just giving you some idea of how it sounds. In my opinion, it sounds the same as the original, but it's kind of, upon observation, it's a little crisper, a little more high-tuned, or a little more clickety. So first I'm gonna try the arrow keys here, and so you can hear how it sounds like. So it sounds similar there, and the numpad keys here, but the larger keys have a different sound. But mostly I hear a difference in the enter key. The shift key is almost similar. The escape key is also similar, but the largest difference would be the space bar. As you can hear, this one is a little crisper. So in regular typing, this sounds like this. So if I push a little harder, so it doesn't bottom out for the rest of the keys except the arrow keys. Okay, so I hope you get the idea of how it sounds like. Thanks for watching.